Right, so this is a demonstration of this vintage Harvard Minor Mark II AM transistor pocket-sized radio. Mark II, although I've not seen a Mark I, so whether there's one available I couldn't say. But this particular one, there are some alternative brands for it. It appears to be exactly the same radio, and that's RCA did a version, Electro did a version, and Astrosonic did a very similar version, all from the 1950s, potentially used mainly during the 1960s, probably even into the 70s. But yeah, this is a fairly good example. Let's open the box and have a look. So yeah, it comes with the original box in vintage condition, obviously, with the earpiece as well. Many times that I had one of those plugged into the back, listening to Radio Luxembourg back in the day, and that just fits in the side there. But the actual radio itself has the dial on the right hand side going from 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 and 16, which is the shortened version of the AM broadcast frequencies. So it would be 54 megahertz going all the way up to 16,000 megahertz. So that is it shortened. And yeah, on the left hand side is your on and off and your tuner. So if we just turn this one on, turn it on the left, and then you can tune on the right. Now previously I couldn't, because of where I'm filming it at the moment, I couldn't get a reception. We'll try again, but if not, I'll move location in order to show that this is working. But let's just see if I can pick something up. It's trying to find something there. Right, I'm not sure how clearly that was coming through, so I'm just going to break there and go in a different location just to see if you can hear that coming through.
Listen to this, he needs to order some more fax machines. Ian, lovely to speak to you. Likewise. Ian McKenna from the Financial Technology Research Centre. Lots and lots of facts have come in. We'll revisit some of those a bit later on. Jeff Norcott's comedian's coming up. We're also going to be so we can play a bit of this. Dear catastrophe waitress, I'm sorry, can you think to find a way of the world?
Okay, so that showed that yeah, in the right location you can definitely get a signal with this AM vintage radio. I'm just going to open it up on the back so you can see the back, what's inside and the condition of that. Looks pretty good. It's got a standard 9-volt battery in there, a little bit of tape holding it together on the top, which is pretty standard, but yeah, that is working okay, and that just slips back on again. I did test the earpiece, and this earpiece actually works as well. Just slides in the side there. You can hear that. It's just coming through that little earpiece. I mean, obviously in the right location with it tuned properly, you would put that in your ear and you could hear it. And if I pull this out, so that is working as you would. Getting a better signal now, having done that. So yeah, you can see the condition. It is vintage condition, made in Hong Kong, as stipulated on the back there. Comes with the original box and an instruction sheet, and that fits in the top there. And there we go. Hopefully that shows it as best we can. Quite a vintage item. Don't see this particular version that often. You see one of the later Harvard little pocket radios, but yeah, that's quite a nice little thing. So hopefully that was useful. Please bid with confidence, or purchase with confidence.